Hello, I'm Dr. Nudrat Kamal, consultant ENT surgeon at Noble Hospital, Pune. In this video, we are going to talk about tonsils and debunk certain myths about tonsillectomy. First, what are tonsils? Tonsils are a pair of soft tissue masses located at the back of our throat. They are a part of our body's immune or lymphatic system. With age, as our immunity strengthens, their contribution ceases and they shrink in size. Now, what is tonsillectomy? Tonsillectomy is a surgical procedure to remove tonsils. It's indicated if there are repeated throat infections, let's say more than 3 per year, characterized by sore throat, swollen tonsils, and painful swallowing. Secondly, if there is enlargement of tonsils leading to airway obstruction, snoring, or difficulty in swallowing. Thirdly, if there is a suspicion of malignancy. Now, does tonsillectomy weaken our immunity? No, it doesn't. Though it's a part of our immune system, if tonsils get hypersensitive, leading to repeated infections and airway obstruction, then they are causing more harm to our body than any benefit. And as said earlier, their contribution to our immunity reduces as age progresses. Now coming to next myth, does tonsillectomy change voice? Sound is produced by vocal cords and its articulation into words is a function of palate, tongues and lips. Hence voice doesn't change as such after tonsillectomy. Do tonsils grow back after surgery? Now that's a very common myth. No, they do not grow back after surgery. There might be compensatory enlargement of other lymphoid tissue at the base of the tongue, which is not that significant. Coming to the next question. Can tonsillectomy be done in young kids? Generally, it can be safely done in any child above 3 years of age when blood volume is sufficient enough for the body to tolerate a surgery. Hence, it's absolutely safe in young kids. To sum up, tonsillectomy is a safe surgical procedure with very rare serious or long-term complications. For more information and medical help, please reach out to us at Noble Hospital, which is now the first and only JCI accredited hospital in Pune city. Thank you.